Hi everyone, this is the unboxing of the BenQ SW321C, which is a 32-inch 4K monitor. I used a X-Rite color checker passport to do this. It comes with a factory calibration report, which is at the top of the box, which you should safely keep in the top of the box. Make a photocopy of it if you like. If you pushed in the carrying handles for the box, you need to pull them back out again, otherwise it will stop you from lifting the top of the box out where they have the cables and some other in the stand as well. The other parts are actually inside other boxes inside of this. It's really well thought out, the packaging. You won't have any problems with that. That's why you should keep it in a dry place so they can reuse the box. It's really big. It's actually half of the weight, almost half of the weight of the shipping monitor, because the box is really well done and really sturdy. So you have all your stand parts in the top element of the box, and you can take those out. Once you have those out, plus the fancy little roller that I just showed you for taking off dust off the nano surface, put it off to the side. Once you have all of the panels out, put all of the parts back together, the inner boxes back inside of the big box, and that way you'll have everything in one place when you go looking for it again. So put out the parts that you need, take off the plastic, and get everything ready, and I'll show you in the second half exactly how this works. So it comes with the CD, but then again, you can always download everything that you need. It comes with all the cables you'll need to plug it in, all of very high quality, so those are the ones you want to use. Often I mark them coming from BenQ so they don't mix them up with other lower level cables. And that's all there is to it.
You can see that you have a full set of instructions that are printed. They were taped to the front. So we're going to put together the stand as we need to. You take the base mount. It has three slots to put it in. It also has a screw to turn it, and it's marked to lock or open, either way. It goes in with the three parts in the bottom like this. And it's done. I'll turn it around and I'll just lock. And I'll just tighten this down and it'll be done. Okay, so stand is ready. Now the stand itself goes on the back. It's very easy. It goes in and it's a VESA mount. And put the things in the bottom. And we're in. I'm going to lift it up. These are heavy. They're big. They're big screens. Take this out. We don't need it anymore. Put it here. Okay. The screen is ready. So what else do we have to do for the screen? We could plug in the cables. Of course, you have your power cable. Sometimes I feel it's easiest to turn it forward and then rotate the screen. With that, it's easier to move into position. What I just noticed is this stand has actually got a detent when you're turning it, which is kind of nice. So now it will set itself to 0, which the other stands I didn't find to do. And I will definitely use my favorite cable. The reason that I think this monitor is exceptional is because it has USB-C, which is fantastic for using power delivery. So you can use it with a MacBook or any other USB-C portable computer, where it's actually going to supply the power to the computer, and you don't need any other power bricks or extensions, whatnot. So the other ports that you have, display port, 2 HDMI and 1 display port, USB-C, USB Generation 2 puck is really fantastic, and that one lets you sit back at a distance from the monitor. So it goes into a USB mini plug, and it's only used for just the remote. And I'm just going to turn it back to regular position, turn it down. You can see that it has a fair room of movement, as well as up and down. So you can move it down to wherever you like, and we're done. They have a set of instructions on where to get Palette Master elements on a CD. Not many people have CD players anymore. You probably don't need it, and you can find the same information on their site. There are both the portrait mode and landscape mode panel to put together the landscape model. So we need our L2, R2, and I don't know if there's a D2, but we're going to look for it, R2, D2. Never mind, that was supposed to be funny. R1 and L1, those are for the portrait mode. With right T, top, R2, it goes on here, and this will go on the right side of the monitor. And these ones go in from a little bit this way. And that's done. Okay, which is L top, L2. So these ones, they go in the same way. So you look for the velvet towards the front. These ones, they go in like this, a little bit in the back. They go down, and you can see it's sticking out a little bit, and you just push that forward till it locks. It's got a mark lock sign towards the front, and this one will be for this side. And you just find the approximate placement of the two little encoches, and you put it in, and you just slide it down. So the two parts are done. That was really easy. I didn't make too many mistakes this time. And we have, of course, the top. So you start at the front and move that one in, and then this one goes down in the back. Okay. So once the screen's put together, simply power it on, let it boot up. You'll see that it's got a gray screen similar to the SW321C. And once you plug in your computer into USB-C or HDMI or DisplayPort, everything should be good.
Full review coming soon. Hit the bell and subscribe. Thanks, and see you soon.